Hey guys, this is a very short quick video for the beginners. In this video I'm just going to show you how you can create a virtual computer using Google Cloud. So let's get started here. So here at first you have to click on here and then go to Compute Engine and Virtual Instance. I mean the VM machine instance. And then here from here just create a new instance. It may take some time actually. Okay, then you can actually give your machine name here, and you can choose the server location from here. So I'm just choosing the London, and from here you can choose zone. Based on this one, actually you may find graphics card availability based on the zone actually. So I don't need the I'm not concerned about graphics card, so I'm just ignoring it. And from here you just can choose the series. So it is fine for me, and I need a minimum 16 GB memory. Okay, and if you would like to use the display services, just turn it on. Otherwise you can't take any kind of screenshot or anything actually. If you don't enable it, then you can't take any kind of screenshot. Okay, so you have to enable it, and then choose Windows Server from here. Divide Windows Server. I need the desktop experience one, so it will give you actually RDP. Okay, then go with the SSD. Okay, 50 GB is fine actually. We'll select and allow full access for now. Okay, and firewall allow HTTP and allow HTTPS traffic. Everything fine. Okay, Windows, okay, fine. Okay, everything fine here. And you can see now your monthly estimate cost and our estimate cost here. It will how much it will cost you if you run the server all the time. Okay, 27057 monthly estimate. Okay, I'm just this is just for tutorial purpose, so I don't care about it now. And create. Let me check the firewall. Okay, we don't not necessary for this one now. Let's create it. So hold on, it's just creating. Okay, so it's created. Now what we have to do, we have to just set a username password here. So at first I'm just moving on my desktop here and searching RDP remote desktop connection, and I'm just going to type that IP here, the external IP address, copy, and just copy it over there in the RDP and go for the here, just set as the Windows password. Let's type user 3, set it. Now Windows will give you a password over there, and just copy it. It's fine, perfectly fine. And the user should be user 3. Okay, and then connect. Okay, it may take some time. So actually, it's the very first time. So what's wrong there? Let me check once again. Try to connect once again. Let me check what's wrong there. Okay. The IP address is okay. Then what's wrong there? Let's try from the beginning. Oh, not this one. Okay, it's working now. As I told you, first time it actually takes some time. So the password I'm typing here, remember me, okay? And you can just press yes here. So it will not give you warnings anymore. And we are ready to go with our new VPS. So here we go, our VPS is ready, and this was just for beginning purpose, just to show you actually how you can create the VPS using Google Cloud. That's it. Have fun. Bye bye.